Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most impressive luxury RV concepts to ever hit the road. The 2027 Cadillac HyperLux Motorhome has been designed to deliver the comfort of a five-star hotel combined with the freedom of long-distance travel. Created with the premium styling and innovation of Cadillac, this futuristic motorhome is built for travelers who want elegance, technology, and comfort everywhere they go. From the very first look, the exterior design immediately communicates luxury and sophistication. The front fascia features Cadillac's signature illuminated grille paired with ultra-slim vertical LED headlights that give the HyperLux a sharp and futuristic appearance. The body has been sculpted with smooth aerodynamic lines that not only improve efficiency but also create a sleek, modern silhouette rarely seen in traditional motorhomes. Large panoramic windows run along both sides of the vehicle, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering passengers incredible views during travel. The smart glass technology built into these windows allows the transparency to be adjusted instantly, giving complete privacy whenever needed. Chrome accents, elegant trim details, and large premium alloy wheels add to the upscale appearance, making the HyperLux feel more like a luxury concept vehicle than a typical RV. One of the standout exterior features is the integrated outdoor lounge system. With the touch of a button, a power-operated awning extends outward, while hidden lighting systems create a relaxing atmosphere for evening stops. Storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the lower body panels, providing practical functionality without disrupting the clean exterior design. At the rear, the HyperLux continues its futuristic styling with a full-width LED light signature and sleek bodywork that gives the motorhome a wide and stable appearance. Advanced parking cameras and automated stabilization systems make maneuvering and setting up the vehicle surprisingly simple despite its size. Step inside the 2027 Cadillac HyperLux Motorhome, and the experience instantly feels closer to entering a luxury penthouse suite than an RV. The cabin is spacious, modern, and crafted with premium materials throughout. Soft leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and elegant wood trim create a warm yet sophisticated atmosphere that perfectly matches Cadillac's luxury identity. The main lounge area is designed for maximum comfort and relaxation. Plush reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions surround a large entertainment space centered around a retractable OLED display. A premium surround sound system delivers cinema-quality audio, turning the motorhome into a private theater on wheels. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin and can be customized depending on mood or time of day. Combined with panoramic windows and a large glass skylight, the interior feels open, bright, and luxurious at all times. The modular seating layout also transforms the space for dining, socializing, or additional sleeping arrangements if needed. Moving toward the center of the motorhome, the kitchen area is both elegant and practical. It includes a modern induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, built-in coffee system, and hidden storage compartments. The countertops are finished in durable stone materials that provide a premium look while remaining functional for everyday use. Soft close cabinets and integrated lighting make the kitchen feel like something you would find in a luxury apartment. Toward the rear, the private bedroom offers a calm and relaxing retreat. A king-size bed with a high-end memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep after long days of travel. Storage cabinets are carefully integrated into the walls to maximize space while maintaining a clean design. Smart glass side windows allow passengers to enjoy scenic views during the day while ensuring privacy at night. The bathroom area continues the luxury hotel experience with a spacious walk-in shower, elegant sink, and premium fixtures throughout. Heated flooring and advanced water management technology enhance comfort, while intelligent water management technology improves efficiency during extended road trips. Performance is another area where the HyperLux stands out. The 2027 Cadillac HyperLux Motorhome is expected to use an advanced hybrid electric powertrain that combines strong performance with smooth and quiet operation. Instant torque from the electric motors makes acceleration effortless despite the size of the vehicle, while the hybrid system improves fuel efficiency for long-distance travel. The adaptive air suspension system is designed to deliver exceptional ride comfort. Road imperfections are absorbed smoothly, creating a stable and almost floating sensation for passengers. Intelligent all-wheel drive provides improved traction and stability, ensuring confidence in different driving conditions. Driver assistance systems are highly advanced and designed to reduce stress during long journeys. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities also allow the motorhome to handle certain highway functions with minimal driver input. Inside the cockpit, a fully digital dashboard provides navigation, vehicle diagnostics, energy management information, and entertainment controls through a sleek and intuitive interface. Wireless smartphone integration, onboard Wi-Fi, and voice-controlled systems ensure passengers stay connected wherever they travel. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Cadillac HyperLux Motorhome is positioned as a premium luxury RV, with industry estimates suggesting a starting price around $400,000. Fully loaded versions with custom interior materials, upgraded technology packages, and personalized luxury features could approach $650,000 depending on configuration. The 2027 Cadillac HyperLux Motorhome perfectly blends luxury, technology, and freedom into one extraordinary package. It offers the comfort of a five-star hotel while giving travelers the ability to explore the open road without sacrificing style or convenience. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.